Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to connect ChatGPT to N8n AI automation workflow. This integration allows you to build powerful automated workflows that leverage ChatGPT's AI capabilities, making it easier to streamline tasks and create intelligent automation systems. Let's get started. First, navigate to N8n.io in your browser. Once you're on the page, type in your credentials to log in. After logging in, you'll be directed to your N8n dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all your automation workflows. Look at the top right corner of your screen and you'll see a button labeled Create Workflow. Go ahead and click on it to begin setting up your new automation. Once you click that button, you'll be directed to your N8n Workflow Editor. Here, you'll be presented with two ways to create your workflow. You can either build it manually using the Add First Step option, or you can use the Build with AI feature for a more guided experience. For this tutorial, we'll be creating the workflow manually to give you full control over each step. To add ChatGPT to your N8n workflow, start by clicking on Add First Step from your editor screen. A right side panel will appear with various options. Locate the search bar at the top of this panel and type in ChatGPT. You might notice that the results show different AI models as the listed models are relevant to ChatGPT, specifically OpenAI. From the search results, click on OpenAI. You'll then see a list of actions you can perform. From this actions list, click on Message a Model. This is the option that allows your workflow to communicate with ChatGPT. After selecting this action, a form parameter window will appear on your screen. This is where you'll configure the connection settings. Look for the drop-down menu labeled Credential to connect with and click on it. From the drop-down options, select plus Create New Credential. Now to make this work, you'll need to enter an API key from OpenAI. Open a new browser tab and head to openai.com/API. This will take you to the OpenAI platform page where you can generate your API key. On the OpenAI platform page, look for the Login button located on the top right side of your screen and click on it. A small selection window will appear with several options. From the listed options, click on API Platform. You'll be required to log in using various account options such as your Google account or other supported login methods. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to the API Management section under the OpenAI platform. Look at the left side of your screen and you'll see a menu with different options. Click on API Keys to access the Key Management section from the API Keys section. Click on plus Create New Secret Key to generate a new API key for your N8n integration. A small window will appear prompting you to configure your new key. Enter a name for this API key that helps you identify it later. Something like N8n Workflow Integration works well. Then under the project dropdown, simply select Default Project unless you have a specific project you want to use. Once everything is configured to your liking, click on Create Secret Key. You'll now be provided with the API key displayed on your screen. This is a one-time view, so make sure you copy it immediately. Click on Copy to save the key to your clipboard. Now head back to your N8n tab where you left your workflow open. Paste this API key into the credential field on your workflow step. Make sure it's correctly pasted without any extra spaces, then click on Save to store the credential securely. Your N8n workflow is now successfully connected to ChatGPT and ready to use. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.